It's another wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace. So we built this facility just for testing and evaluation. We're going to test feed, and we're going to test other snails, how they actually stay with an open roof. So this is an open roof system that we are doing, and then we are going to do it like their natural surrounding, nothing to it. We're not going to cover it, neither are we going to shield it from the sun, but we're going to do a lot of dry leaves in there, and then we're going to provide just a little bit of cover with dried plantain leaves. So we are creating a boundary to secure them against insects, and we're using the dirty oil, and this is what we're doing. So we will fill it around the whole facility like this, so that it will shield them against insects and pests. So that is what we are doing currently, shielding the snails against insects and pests. So that is what we are doing. So I'm going to show you what we do basically. So you do this, and then you pour it, and it goes all around the trench. So the dirty oil is not for sale. You can get some for free basically all over. The fitting mechanics and everybody else, you can get them for free. So it will go around the whole facility so that it shields it against insects like centipedes, millipedes, spiders, ants, etc. So it will sort of take its own level and go around the facility and shield it. Well, it being here is good because it shields the scent of the snails from other predators that would have otherwise come in. Especially if we were in a remote area, there would be other predators that can smell the snails and come over. But the grease or the leftover car engine oil will prevent them from smelling the snails. So basically that is what we are doing, and this is the facility. We have other ones here for the client that we are building, and then we have here where the client has a double decker as well, and then this facility here, and then the feeding system is also here. So that is what the client has. It's a wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace. Today what we're doing is we are shielding the snail pen against other diseases and pests, especially pests. And we're also masking the scent of the snails against other predators. So that is what we're doing. So we are having our trusty engine oil, which we recycled or we got for free basically, and then we are using that to build a sort of an island system around our snail pen, so that other insects cannot crawl, especially ants, red ants and other insects, and so that they will not lay their eggs onto the snails or into the pen. So you see the fluid will take its own shape and go around the whole facility like so. So what we do is that we pour it directly that way. Yep. And then we are good to go. So that is how we shield the whole facility against ants and centipedes, millipedes and other insects. Thank you.